All right, so today we're going to talk about what is the symptom of lightheadedness when you're on a keto and intermittent fasting plan, okay? So if you start this plan and you feel lightheaded, which is kind of a form of dizziness, usually what's happening, it's a low blood volume / pressure problem, because when you're on all these carbs, you were retaining fluid. So you're going to increase the volume of fluid. Now you got rid of all the fluid and the electrolytes, okay? So very simply, all you have to do is drink more water with sea salt. Of course, don't forget the potassium as well and the other electrolytes. But the sea salt and the water will increase the volume pretty quickly and you'll feel better. What you don't want to do is just drink the water, because if you just drink water without the other electrolytes, what's going to happen is you're going to feel even worse, because you're going to take the small amount of electrolytes you had and dilute it more, okay? So always add the sea salt with it, just probably 1/8 of a teaspoon in some water, dissolve it, drink it down with some other electrolytes, and that should go away. Now, if you have lightheadedness in general without being on a keto, or let's say you had it before, that's usually weak adrenals or anemia or low blood sugar, which I have other videos that you can watch if you search on YouTube. All right, thanks for watching. So I want to know what you're interested in as far as a future video. Click the link down below and share some ideas. I want to hear.